Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see some general stuffs what happened in today's market. So this is pre-open. It's a flat gap open or gap up, sorry. And when you check for Bank Nifty, it's also a flat open. So after a heavy fall in Bitcoin, our markets are also trying to stabilize. So we are having Q2 results coming up for this month. So yeah, could be bullish for this month. So as you could see, almost giving us an uptrend vibe. Here we are going to see the stocks which are the supporting points for index. For Bank Nifty, ICICI and Fed Bank. Sorry, the latest data. Unfortunately, the latest data is not available. Okay, so this is for 14th. Okay, so yeah, 14th and 15th. Okay, fine. So here, ICICI and SBN is supporting. When you check for Nifty, ICICI and LT, Bharti Airtel, and when you check for Midcap Nifty, is persistent and trend. Okay, so sometimes refreshing gives us the new data. Here we have some news, economic data. For 16th we have USA based news, and some for 14th also we had news, so that is reflecting on today's market. Here for 15th we have so much of news coming up. For 16th, Infi, Nestle, of course Wipro, and some of the banks are going to directly affect Nifty 50. So let's wait and watch. Holiday, we have Lakshmi Pujan on 21st October. Okay, now we have the FII data for 15th, it's out, and then you could see the FII data here. Sorry, let me just draw the focus area. So you could see here sellers are more than buyers, and then here resistance is definitely more than support. So these two gives us the bearish vibe, while in the stocks buy is more than sell. So with stocks people are bullish, especially the FII data claims so. Okay, trading tech website, unfortunately they are trying to adjust because of the new SEBI rules, which is mandatory that to show the OI they have some conditions, it seems. Okay, so for 10th, I don't hope so. This is the latest data, so I'll skip this part. Straddle is also not working, unfortunately. Now we'll move on to the price action chart. And yeah, maybe I should try Nifty Trader website for once. So let's just try. So here you can check the close data. So this is Nifty. So we'll check open itself. So you could see here. We'll begin with Nifty. So this is Nifty chart, right? 1 hour time frame. Let me just enlarge it. So when you check for open, 150. So 150, if I have to check the charts, then I have to click 150, it seems. Okay, yeah, there you go. This is OI data. So maybe I have to check the price action chart. So yeah, we'll move on to the price action chart. Where is the price for 150.35? This is the premium choice, but I'm trying to guess if that works. Okay, yeah, here it is working. So you could see the data 284 and 35, where it started 192 and 78. So it is a day 4 long straddle, as you could see the movement of call versus put. Yeah, I got it. Okay, finally one thing is working. I'll check for Bank Nifty, the same 56,600. Close this part. I'll take Bank Nifty. 56,600 is the area of interest, and we have to click on the price. Okay, so let's see LTP 56,600. So this is the focus. Okay, sorry, this is the focus zone. You have to check. Okay, let me show you. Open at 920, 646 and 342. and that close 689 and 298. Not much of the move here, unfortunately. Can't zoom in much, so these charts are like so small. Okay, so mid gap is the next. Try to get the mid gap data. Okay, when you check for open 13,050, so 75. So here is the chart for 50. Then you can see open was 197 and 124. Close, definitely that's the move, so it is for long straddle day. Okay, yeah, finally one thing is working, so I'm happy about that. Now we'll do the price action study. We'll start with the mid cap. Okay, for October. So this is the October month range, and then you could see first week and second week. First week versus second week. Okay, haven't written it. Okay, so I will write here week 1 and week 2. Okay, so you could see pretty trending upside. Okay, so with retracement, of course. Now we have Bank Nifty. Let me explain Bank Nifty because there is much to understand here. Okay, so this becomes the September month resistance, and this becomes the September month support. Okay, and this is October. So you could see open is here and continuously trend retracement and above the September month's resistance. So this is a very good sign. Also the Q2 results are out for major banks supporting the Bank Nifty. So let's wait and watch. This could be an uptrend. So every time the results come with respect to Bank Nifty stocks, you can see a bigger move. Now we have Nifty still struggling with the September month. Okay, so you could see this is the September month zone and it's below the important major resistance of September. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you.